WTI. I wanted to share this amazing canvas of the world with you. I have been looking for something for this huge wall since we moved in almost 3 years ago, and finally I have found it. Super easy to hang up. There's 2 brackets that come on the canvas, and it is super lightweight. You can see I can just lift it off, so in case my kids would bump it and it would fall off, I don't have to worry about them getting hurt. You can see the framing on the back and how it looks on the side. So it has been hard to find something big enough that it looks good on this wall. We wanted something very simple because we have a gallery wall on the other wall over here, and so we wanted something that was not so busy on this wall. So you can see how tall this is. I am 5'5", so super big, and it is more than my arm's length wide. So pretty average woman, and it's longer than my arm, if that gives you an idea of how big this thing is. Here are the brackets to hang it. This is the blue one, and you can see all the beautiful shades of blue. So I feel like it would match so much because not only does it have all the shades of blue, but there's some hints of gray in there and some brown. So it will match all kinds of different colors if I ever decide to paint our living room. If you need a large piece of artwork for a wall in your house that will match many, many different colors, this map canvas definitely has us pleased, and that is our point of view.